Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video I am going to show you some awesome items for your winter experience. What we have today is the electric heated socks. Every once in a while we get some weird items on the internet, and this one definitely stood out to me. I would have never imagined myself getting a pair of electric socks, nonetheless heated electric socks. As a kid, I grew up with, the heated blankets and that kind of thing, but this is just kind of surreal to me. So I had to pick these up. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of what's inside. I'm gonna try them out and show you the variety of ways that they can be used, because you can use it with like an app or a push button, I guess. So let's take a look at the box first. All the product details on the back here. In the front. So you get one pair of heated socks, two polymer batteries, a Type-C dual charge cable, a laundry bag, a gift box, and the user manual. So let's get right into it and take a look at what's inside here. First off, we got our user manual. I'm going to take a quick peek at this. So it does have a battery indicator on it. And you can set the temperature of the heat on these along with the timer. The box was rather heavy when I got it. I was kind of concerned, and the reason being is it comes with these battery packs here. They are USB chargeable, and they have a variety of different modes on the top for temperature, and it does tell you the battery life on these. You do get two of these, one for each foot. So if you are an amputee or something like that, you'd probably be able to have one as backup. That was a bad joke, but my uncle was an amputee and he made jokes like that all the time. Alright, so here are the socks. They come in a standard black with a gray toe and ankle. Rather large in size. They feel very soft. Best described to be kind of like a wool sock. This is the laundry bag it comes with, and the USB cable. I'm going to get the battery packs charged up, and I'm assuming we are going to be putting the battery pack in this little pocket here on the side. It's going to slide right in there with the applicable cable. Let's get this charged up and try them out. Alright, so I got the batteries charged from the dual USB cable. Both of them got to about 75%. I wanted to just get them powered up enough to try them out and give you guys my review on the product. We connected them to the cable on the top of the sock. We're going to hit the power button on there, and that changes the different levels of the temperature and everything. So you can obviously do this from the battery pack itself, but the easiest method I'm going to show you is with the app. I got that downloaded. It found the Bluetooth socks right away, and yeah, we're going to go into this and try them on and test them out. So let's hit the power button to turn this back off, put these in the pouches of the socks, and we'll get these bad boys put on. So I'm going to try to tuck the cables in the best I can, just so it looks a little bit more discreet. So it is in the pouch here. And the one thing I do have a hard time with is that button. There's a little hole to get that button through. So there's one sock down. Let's do the other sock now. And I'm sure you can wear these any way you like, but I'm going to do it with the battery packs facing outward. Alright, so we got both of the socks ready to go, battery packs inside, and they are powered up, ready to go. I'm not going to show you guys my feet, but I will show you the socks on when it is time. Alright, socks are on. I'm going to show you what they look like. They are very tall socks. I could literally pull these things up to my kneecaps if I wanted to. But I am wearing skinny jeans today because I am an emo kid at heart, and that's what I wear. I have them about halfway up my calf here. So these are the socks. On the bottom of the feet here, there's like little coils in there, so I'm guessing that's what is used to warm them up. Like I said, they're very tall socks. I could pull these up more if I wanted to, but this is what I have to work with. I'm going to get the app going, pull down my pant legs. Alright, pant legs down, socks are on, and I mean, it might look like I have like an ankle bracelet on, but it's just that little battery pack on my tight jeans here. Let's go ahead and turn the app on and test these out. So here we have the app, and it found both socks. I'm going to turn the power on them. Alright, power on with the blue indicator there. And we got temperature on them. Looks like there's a timer. So you can set this to heat for a certain amount of minutes. Varying temperatures, battery life. And let's just give this a whirl. Let's turn this on. Let's say 15 minutes. And we'll get into heating mode. And I do notice on the app that they have other products here. They got hats, they got scarves, they got vests, gloves, and waist warmers. So pretty cool variety of different items there. Alright, so it says it's heating. Let's give it a few. So it took a little while for the socks to warm up. It is a gradual warmth. It doesn't do it right away, even though I selected the rapid heating mode. Typically that kicks on and it takes about 2 minutes for it to warm up. I do certainly feel them warm up over time, but overall, not really what I expected. They are doing a good job, but as far as the socks themselves, this is more geared towards somebody that works in colder temperatures, not a guy like me that works out of his home in his office. This is going to be for someone that works in a freezer or a cooler at the grocery store, or if you are a butcher, you're in your freezer putting the meat away, or someone that does do outside work, construction, snow shovelers, plowers. There's a variety of different jobs that would find these socks useful. So if you are interested in picking up some of these socks for yourself, I will have a link for them in the description below. Very warm, they're very comfortable. I was expecting them to heat up a little bit quicker. As far as what it can do, it is pretty neat that you can control these from your phone with having the app. It connects to them right away, and you have all the different settings, so you can have them on a timer, or you can just have them set to on, and obviously use up your battery, but these are meant to last the whole day. So when you are done with them, unplug the battery and get these charged back up with that USB cable. You can wash them with the laundry bag it comes with. Just make sure that the batteries are taken out. Everything appears to be waterproof, so I can't say much more about these. They're socks that heat your feet. We're coming up on winter, and if this is something you're interested in, check them out. They're on Amazon, and I'll have a link for all of that as usual. So if you guys do like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.